Healthcare is a rapidly evolving field, and digital technology is playing an increasingly important role in meeting customer demand. A revolutionary new concept in hospital design that is changing the way we approach patient care. Humanizing technologies provides an enhanced service of hospitality, which provides a patient-centric experience to increase the comfort level of the patients. The Smart Patient Suite is about improving patient experience and satisfaction by providing patients with more control over their environment and care, and by streamlining hospital operations, we can create a better patient experience. The Smart Patient Suite uses smartphones or tablets for complete room control, which includes air conditioning, lighting, and window curtains.
Hey Google, open the curtain.
A voice-activated control is also featured in the suite.
Hey Google, play some music.
In the future, we will look into adding more interactive features, such as integrating with meal ordering, entertainment controls, patient feedback, and many more. By leveraging cutting-edge technologies, healthcare providers can improve patient experience. It is exciting to think about the endless possibilities that digital healthcare will bring in the future. With new digital technology, healthcare is changing for the better.